Okay, now class, do you want to play a game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I have a game for you. It's called Arrange Me. I have here a number line and a integer card. All you need to do is to arrange the integer card and to number line from negative to positive. Alright class, do you understand?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, I will group you into two groups. This will be the group 1 and the group 2. And each group will present their work in the front. So, you are given 2 to 3 minutes to work on it. Get it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now you can start.
Mana?
Are you done doing your activity class?
Yes.
Okay, group 1 here in front to share your activity. Is group 1 get the correct arrangement?
Yes.
Okay, very good group 1. How about group 2? Here in front. Is group 2 got the correct arrangement?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Let me take your seats. Around the clock. Question is, how do you find the number line? How do you find the number line? Anyone? Yes, Marsha? Very good. Give Marsha a 3 claps. The second question is, on your completed number line, which is farther from 0? Is it -3 or +5? Yes, Ian? Okay, very good. 5. Give Ian a 5 claps. The last question. If a number is located to the left of another number on the number line, what can you definitively say about the value? Anyone guess? Faith?
Negative value.
Very good. The negative value. Give Faith a 3 claps.